Hello and welcome back to the Broken Doll. I'm coming to you today. It's been a rainy, stormy day today. Really stormy. I almost started praying on the way from here to the house, from the house to here, that I'm going to get struck by lightning because it was starting to thunder over my head and lights were flashing. But I want to make this video. This is the third time I'm making it, and I don't know what my problem is today. It's the storm, the electricity in the air. I don't know. But anyways, I have put Shirley Temple's eyes in her head. Now, I would love to have shown that to you on video, but it's hard to do. Why is it? You're working in a small hole like this, and you got tools in here, flashlights in there, and your hand. And then you got to get a camera in there. It ain't going to work. So anyways, I just went ahead and put her eyes in. And I have them in. I want to show them to you. I'm going to show her. She's sleeping. Make sure you're seeing this. Okay, she's sleeping. She's awake. Her eyes move to the left and to the right. So, you know, she's got great everything going on here. So I'm really happy with how well she's turned out, and I'm just so pleased with her. And beautiful, beautiful. You know, so it's just a matter of getting her on her body, and then her wig. It will be right after that. We'll get the wig going and dress her, and then give her her debut. I string her together, of course, too. That's right. But I'm going to clear everything off my table here so I can string her properly. Everything. I'm going to start working on that probably tonight. Emptying my table off and getting my battery all charged up for this. And we're going to start stringing her. I'm with my son here right now. He's on vacation. What I'll do is get him to help me with it as well. And sometimes you need that second person. Not always. Now, to string a doll this big, you got to use 2 ropes. You use one from the head to the feet, and then from arm to arm. The second one is arm to arm. You cannot use 1 rope. You should not do that. It stresses the doll out too much. Dolls over 16 inches should not be strung with 1 rope. It should be 2. Anything underneath that, you could get away with 1 rope, where you just take 1 rope from the head to the feet and then use the rope that's running through the body. You can use it for the arms as well. Those dolls can take those stresses, but not these big ones. You have to be careful with that. So just for those that have never strung a doll before, there are some rules to it. So and what works best for the doll itself. It's not what's easier for you, it's what's best for your doll. And when you're going to put this type of work into your doll, you want to do, again, what is the best and what they did back then too. But anyhow, I gave her a brown eyelash. They're like a dark chocolate brown. They're not the black ones like they had back then. I imagine if they had different color eyelashes back then, they would have done different colors as well. But I gave her, they almost look black, but they are chocolate brown. And I think they look really nice with her. But I am really pleased with her, how well she turned out. And I hope you are too. So we got lots more coming. And stay tuned for another video coming up with her being strung together. So thanks for joining me on this stormy, what is it, Wednesday today? Yeah, it was garbage day today, so that's right, Wednesday. So there you go. We'll be talking to you again soon. And give me a like and thumbs up. I think that's what it is, a thumbs up. And a comment if you want, you know. But thanks again for joining me and coming along for the ride of this, restoring our Shirley Temple doll. Bye-bye.